What is up? It's your girl Shay, and thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. Now y'all already know what time it is. If you have not already subscribed, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like this video. Anyway, let's just get right into it. So if you're looking for a amazing setting powder, something that is going to hold your makeup in place all day long, especially underneath the eyes because you just don't want any creasing, well, I have the product for you. It is one size. Now I have the shade Sweet Honey, which there are other shades as well as translucent, but this, you guys, is absolutely amazing. This is my holy grail, and so I wanted to come on here and share this with you. So if you're looking for an awesome setting powder, this is what you want to get. And I also like how it is compact as far as just making sure you don't lose product. You know, time to time you can get some spills when you're opening up, but this particular it has a like little clamp which you're able to open and disperse at your liking. So I think this is absolutely amazing. Once again, I have the shade Sweet Honey, you know, so you don't have to worry about, you know, taking pictures and looking like Casper the Ghost. Definitely get this product because it will not fail you, okay? But yes, go and pick this up at your local Sephora. It is going for $35 plus some tax. And if you just want to try it out without spending the $35, get the travel size, which is $18, and it may come up to like $20 with tax. So definitely go check this out at your local Sephora. And listen, y'all can thank me later because y'all know I'm not gonna come at you with no BS, okay? I'm just gonna give you nothing but the best. Yes. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you have not already subscribed, please do, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and as I always say, until next time, keep smiling.